Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Link Crew and your freshman year here at Spectrum High School. My name is Mark Leland. I'm the high school principal. I have been at Spectrum for going on my 6th year here. My first 2 years I served over in the 6th grade building as the 6th grade administrative dean, and then moved over here and have been the high school principal for what will be my 4th year that is coming up. So I wanted to take just a moment this morning to welcome you and let you know about the buzz around the building and the excitement for the upcoming school year, for what promises to be a really interesting year, of course. We don't know what lies ahead, but the great thing is, what I can tell you about Spectrum is that our staff and students always rise to the occasion. No matter what that challenge is, we have always risen to it and faced it head on. So I'm excited about the year, and I am extremely excited to meet each and every one of you as the year gets going here. So just a quick shout out to our Link leaders. Hooray for them. Those guys are awesome. They're going to really set the tone today for all of you 9th graders, and you're in good hands in that regard. And also a shout out to our Link advisors, Miss Matheson, Miss Hammernick, and Mr. Ott. Awesome. Lastly, just today, soak up what you can this morning. Don't worry if you forget something, not that big of a deal. We are here to support you as the year continues. And again, welcome. Have an awesome morning, and we will see you soon. Take care.